Hello and welcome to this discussion on Plato's theory of forms. Plato was a philosopher who lived in Athens around 400 BCE and was one of the most influential thinkers in the history of Western philosophy. The theory of forms is one of his most famous and enduring contributions to the field. So, what is the theory of forms? Essentially, it is the idea that the physical world we see around us is a mere shadow or copy of a perfect world that exists beyond our perception. This world, known as the world of forms, contains the essential and unchanging realities that all physical objects in our world are based on. In simple terms, Plato believed there are two worlds: the physical world that we can see and touch, and the world of forms, which we cannot see. The world of forms is perfect and unchanging, and it contains the true essence of things. The physical world is just a copy or a shadow of the world of forms. The forms are not physical objects, but rather abstract concepts or ideas that can only be understood through the intellect or the mind. For example, there is a form of beauty that exists in the world of forms, which serves as the ultimate standard for all beautiful things in the physical world. Plato believed that our understanding of the physical world is limited and imperfect, but our understanding of the world of forms is perfect and true. By understanding the forms, we can have a standard for knowledge that is more reliable than our perceptions of the physical world. Plato believed that the forms have a moral dimension, and that our understanding of the forms is essential for living a virtuous life and achieving true wisdom. He believed that the forms are the ultimate source of all goodness, and that our understanding of the forms is necessary for us to live in accordance with the good. Plato's theory of forms challenged the prevalent understanding of reality in ancient Greece, which saw the physical world as the only reality. According to Plato, the forms are related to each other in a hierarchical. The form of the good is the ultimate standard of morality and value, and it is the goal of human existence to strive towards it. Beneath the form of the good, there are other forms that are related to specific concepts or ideas. For example, there is a form of beauty, a form of justice, a form of truth, and a form of knowledge, among others. These forms are related to each other in a way that reflects their importance and universality. For instance, the form of beauty is more fundamental than any particular beautiful thing in the physical world. The form of justice is more fundamental than any particular just action, and so on. Plato believed that the forms are interconnected, and that they form a unified system of knowledge and understanding. The hierarchy of the forms is one way of understanding how the forms are related to each other, and how they contribute to our understanding of reality and the ultimate nature of existence. Plato's theory of forms remains prevalent today because it continues to inspire and inform contemporary philosophical discussions on a wide range of topics. For example, it has significant implications for how we understand knowledge and the nature of truth. The idea that there is a perfect and unchanging world beyond the physical, which contains the essence of all things, raises important questions about how we can know this world and how we can be sure that our knowledge is accurate. It also has implications on our understanding of metaphysics. The idea that there is a perfect world beyond the physical raises questions